Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iagino. So gap up in Tesla. This is the 4-hour chart, and then you see a backfill all the way to fill the gap, and the testing of the rotation zone on the bottom again. This move, even though we're slightly edging up, is starting to get very, very tired. We'll go to a daily chart for a look at the bigger levels, but 805 is very key based off the 4-hour chart. So let's switch over to the daily chart right now. So that 805. So daily chart, the rotation zone is coming in about 813, 812.75. I'd be watching really probably about Friday's low, which comes in at 812. Get a move below 812, I'd start watching then for that 805. If we get a move below 805, my next target is about 795, then 785. Those are my downside targets within the rotation zone. There is no sell signal, so it's just trading off intraday price action. Again, what looks like we have a lot of the key level is about 835 right now. Spike high, just missing that level where we opened up today. So above 835, start watching for the most recent swing high, 843. Then we target 863 to 869. Those are all your key levels for Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.